everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today is one of my favorite videos to share with you guys. My whiff boxes here. I am so excited. I don't know what's in this just yet. We are going to dive into this together. If you are familiar with Scentsy, you know how amazing these are. If you are newer to Scentsy or newer to my channel, a whiff box is a mystery box filled with Scentsy goodies, of course. But we don't know what's in these. They change every single month. But generally, like this box, this is for November 2019. Majority of the boxes are going to be very similar to what I am going to show you today, if not exactly the same. If they change, they may change a little bit just by scent, but generally speaking, the contents are going to be exactly the same. So these are $30 available to purchase as a one-time purchase. You can purchase as many boxes as you want to if you want to give these as gifts. That's a really fun thing to do. You're not tied into any kind of contract or anything like that. You're not locked into an auto ship unless you choose to add this to your Scentsy club. Otherwise, you can purchase these just as a one-time purchase, which is fun. And you can purchase these every single month. They're different every single month, so it's not seasonal. I mean, it's not by quarter or anything. They are seasonal. But yeah, so it's totally fun. Nothing you're locked into. 30 bucks. You will generally get not a lot more than $30 worth of product, but you'll definitely get more than $30. And we're going to go over the price breakdown at the end as well. So just looking at the box itself is even a really good value. Keep the box. These are great to store bars in. If you want to store other things in these, this is a good heavy duty box. So if you have a use for boxes like these, this is a really good box. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out. So on the inside here, so as usual, the inside it says scent with love, hashtag happy whiffing. And then there is a little piece of paper inside here. So this is going to tell us what the theme of this box is going to be. So you can see it's got a little dinner place setting design here. And then it says a very berry holiday. So I like that they do these. It's kind of a fun little like project you can do along with like a little one or anything. On the back here it says a very berry holiday. This month's whiff box begins our journey into the holiday season. Encounter a lovely selection of berry-licious scents, perhaps snow-kissed, cranberry or huckleberry wreath, and a few exclusive surprises from our holiday collection. Go ahead and take a peek. Live, love, whiff. And then share your unboxing moment with hashtag happy whiffing on social media. So that tells you a little bit about it. Inside is going to be the little crafty project that you can do with a little one. Looks like we have festive table place cards. Give your holiday guests the best seat in the house with these cheerful table place cards. Sophisticated yet understated. They're ideal for an elegant dinner or brunch. Just cut out the place cards, fold them along the score mark, and handwrite the names of the family and friends. Your guests will be mingling on a first name basis in no time. So that's kind of fun. So these are themed along with different like Scentsy bar designs. So that's cute. Something that you guys can do together as a family. So that's fun. Okay, so now that we know the theme is a very berry holiday theme, let's check out what's inside the box. So we have our purple tissue here. Let's see what's inside. So you can see it is jam-packed with stuff. So let's take a gander here. So we have 3 full-size bars. So we have Cranberry Garland, one of my favorites. I would say this is probably my favorite cranberry scent. It's so pretty. It's a beautiful tart cranberry along with a really nice green tree scent. Garland, if you will. It's so nice. I really, really love this one. This performs really well also. So that is awesome. We have Very Merry Cranberry. And this one is a really good one as well. Different from Cranberry Garland because this is just a cranberry scent. Like it's just cranberry. In fact, maybe I should tell you what Scentsy says about these because we know my sniffer does its own thing. Let's see here. Cranberry Garland. Cranberry Garland. Where are you? There you are. Sweet Tart Cranberry, grounded by sage and earthy pine cones. So that's Cranberry Garland. And then for Very Merry Cranberry, I just get a nice sweet cranberry scent. There's really nothing else along with it. Scentsy says, lush red winter berries pop against a backdrop of snow-covered cedar, creating a lovely winter landscape. I don't get any kind of woodsy note from this at all, so the cedar must be super, super light, because I don't get it at all. And I like that. I'm okay with it. So that's nice. And then the next bar that we have is Huckleberry Wreath. I'm actually really glad that this was in here because I had someone recently ask me, like, have you warmed this? Because this is really good. And I haven't warmed it. I knew I had it at one point because I got it in my kit, the new scent kit, and it disappeared. So I'm sure I probably sold it, but this is really nice. It seems like it's going to be really light, but I'm okay with it. Like, this seems like it's kind of along the same lines as, well, it's a fresh, it reminds me of something. I was going to say Eskimo Kiss, but it's not the same as Eskimo Kiss. It's, Huckleberry Sage is even better, I think. But this, it's nice. You have the sweet huckleberry scent in here, but you have that earthy, green, leafy kind of note. So it's a nice fresh scent. It just seems like it's going to be a little bit light, so we'll see how that goes. I'm not quite ready for tree scents just yet, so I may break this out more towards the end of this month, but we'll see. Let me tell you what Scentsy says about this. Huckleberry Wreath. For the holidays or any days, crimson red currant. I'm surprised there's currant in here, and I like it because I tend to not like currant. And a handful of huckleberries brighten a wreath of frosted fir. So we'll see how this performs. Let me know in the comments if you have warmed this, what your thoughts are on this and the performance. It just seems like it's going to be kind of light. So I feel like I may wind up warming this like in here in this room just so that I can actually enjoy it. If it's downstairs, these types of scents tend to get lost a little bit. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Okay, we have a hand soap of cranberry and tinsel. This is a part of the holiday hand soap bundle. Like, you can really only get, you can't get this hand soap by itself. It comes in a bundle, and this has been in and out of stock ever since the holiday collection launched. So I'm excited that I get to try this. So that's cranberry and tinsel. Love that scent. That's super pretty. And perfect. And then we have a Scentsy soak that looks like it kind of busted open just a little bit. I am lifting this ever so gently as to not make a mess, but it actually didn't bust open. Oh, yes it did. Just a teensy tiny bit. That's okay though. I've got a little hole right here, so I'm just going to be careful. So we have a Scentsy soak and Winterberry apple tea. I'm laughing because if you saw in my weekly, like, what I've been warming video, I touched on this. I still have yet to use it. My husband used it and had a really bad reaction because there's red dye in this. And his reaction was astounding. And I got a lot of comments from you guys saying that that's a pretty common thing. Not necessarily with this exact product, but red dyes in general. If you have sensitive skin, it tends to be like a bad situation. So he's gonna be happy to see a whole nother bag of this. I do need to try it though. I'm still gonna try it for myself. I'm just a little bit hesitant. I'm like, because his hands looked like it was like burned off. I felt so horrible for him. But the other soaks and the other balms work just fine for him, but this one was a no-go. So we have another bag of it. So funny. He's gonna be like, get that out of here. And then we have a couple of samples. So this is my favorite part. So we have a couple of laundry samples. So I love that they tend to include some laundry samples, especially if you are not ready to commit to like the full Laundry Love bundle and you're not really sure exactly what you want to try. These whiff boxes are great because it gives you the chance to try it without committing to like a full bundle. So we have the Laundry Liquid and Scent Soft and Clothesline. I'm actually happy to get these because have I tried Clothesline? I don't know that I've tried Clothesline, but I've heard that it's super, super strong. So I will be happy to give that a try. Okay, and then we have 2 wax samples, and I am so excited. So the wax sample, we have Candied Cranberry Pecan. I know I love this. This is an amazing cranberry scent. It's more bakery, and you get that that sweet cranberry, but you get that nutty pecan note, and there's almost like a pastry note to it along with it. It's so, so good. I love that. So I'll be happy to pop that into my warmers. And if you see, I'm sure you guys have seen my videos previously, but these are pretty decent little wax samples. I would say that they are equivalent to about 2 cubes in a bar. When I'm talking about a bar cubes, these are the cubes I'm referring to. I would say it's about 2 cubes, 1.5, 2 cubes. So it gives you a good little a good way to try out a scent without committing to a whole bar. So that's nice. So Candied Cranberry Pecan. And then my favorite part of this box is being able to sniff out the scent of the month for next month right now. So it is called Pretty in Plaid, and you guys, the warmer for next month is adorable. I can't wait to share it with you guys. It is so, so cute. I'm sure it's gonna sell out. I can't wait to get it and show it to you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one is called Pretty in Plaid, and it's actually a green wax. I was anticipating it to be a red wax. Okay, I once again do not have like the notes in front of me, so we'll see. We'll see if my sniffer will behave itself. Please be good. Please be good. Because this is always the nail biter here when I'm like, it smells like puke. No, hopefully this does not. It does not smell like puke. It's very different. It smells like it's going to be super strong. It is, ooh, and I was able to pop it right out too. This is, I get like a, is it sandalwood even? It's like, there's a strong wood note on this. Sandalwood or birchwood, and it's a definite tree scent, but it's more woodsy rather than tree. I like it though, and it's slightly masculine. So it's as if there's like a woody tree masculine cologne. That's kind of what this smells like to me personally. Maybe I should look up the notes so that we can, because now I'm super curious. Hang tight with me. Okay, let's take a gander. Oh, come on. Okay. It's really nice though, and it smells like it's going to be super strong. I like that. Now if I could just find the notes here to not leave you guys hanging. There we go. So Scentsy says about this, and once again it's called Pretty in Plaid. And let me blow this up so I can read it. Woody juniper berries. Okay, so see, it is woody. Woody juniper berries jive with minty fresh wintergreen, festive Douglas fir, and bright tart cranberries. So see, my nose wasn't completely off this time. It doesn't smell like puke, and I actually really, really like this. I really like this. I think my husband's gonna like this too. I mean, the wintergreen maybe, because it does smell fresh, but I get more like woods, like right off the bat. Right when I smell it, I smell woody. And then I smell that tree, that like green earthy tree note. And then I get more of that like masculine kind of cologne-y kind of scent. I don't really get cranberries personally, but we'll see what happens when it warms up. So I'm excited to give that a try. We shall see. So let's do some math. Let's see. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So we have the hand soap is $6. And then we had the Scentsy soak bag, which is $12. And we have 3 full-size bars. I'm actually surprised it just now occurred to me. I did not get a scent of the month bar. Usually what you'll get in here in the bars, you'll get 1 bar of the scent of the month. And I didn't get that, which is Snow-Kissed Cranberry. I'm actually surprised I didn't get that, but I'm okay with it. I still have some from my Scent and Warmer of the Month kit. But yeah, so we've got 3 full-size bars that are $6 each. So we'll technically, if you bundle and save these, they're $17, or by themselves it's $18. And then the samples we won't count because you can't really put a price on that. So 6, 12, 18, or 17, depending on if you're gonna bundle and save. So you're looking at $35, $36 value on this box alone. This box is $30 to purchase. So you're definitely getting your money's worth for sure. Plus you're getting the extra samples along with it. And I'm sorry, but just being able to sniff out the scent of the month for next month early, that alone is worth it. So perfect. So that is November's Whiff Box. Let me know if you ordered one, if you have already dug into it, what your thoughts are. I think this is a really good box. I feel like it's a good value. So I really haven't been disappointed in many of the boxes. I feel like for the price, it's done really well. So I love it. I think it's fun. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.